Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient are potatoes, and we'll be making crispy baked potato fingers with tofu ketchup and baked potato soup with crispy potato skins and hazelnut. Joining me in our Morris Black kitchen is Dr. Jennifer Janco from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Yianni Arhontoulis. These sound great. Where should we get started?
So we're going to start with washing and then peel it down.
So that's not the part I usually keep. So.
Yeah, so most people throw the skins out, but kind of, you know, that baked potato flavor, that comes from the skins.
Yep,
so
and that's where a lot of your fiber is, so being able to use that is great. So you would just, no particular method, just peel
them right off,
tray.
right onto a sheet pan. We're going to add a little bit of salt and a little bit of olive oil. So we have the skins on, 375. I would say probably about 20, 25 minutes. Okay. And what you're looking for is just kind of that nice golden brown. So these are our fingers for the kids. So we're going to take these, we toss them with a little bit of olive oil, some salt, and some pepper, and then we bake them off at about 400 for about, I would say probably about 20 to 25 minutes. So at this point we have just some melted butter in a sauce pot. We're going to start the soup now. Okay, so we're going to start with a little bit of onion.
And potatoes is a low allergen food, so it's nice to introduce to your child and not have to worry if they're going to have any type of reaction.
Yeah, so a lot of children may have sensitivities to different kinds of foods, whether it's a true allergy or just an intolerance, but for most kids, a potato is something that they can digest. But this is a great way to kind of use the potato, and I love that he's using all parts of it and make it just a little different for your child.
Exactly.
We're going to sweat that for, I would say, 10, 12 minutes. You really want to kind of develop some flavor on there. At this point, we're going to take our potato trim. So this is kind of going to be where we get the consistency for the soup itself. So at this point, we're going to add water, a little bit of heavy cream, some non-fat milk, and a little bit of half and half as well. Okay, so we're going to simmer that until it's completely tender. As soon as it comes up to a boil, we're going to take those nice crispy potato skins that we have to actually flavor the soup itself. So now while that's cooking, we're going to come down here. We have our potato fingers in the oven. So ketchup. Kids like ketchup.
They do on everything.
You know, some ketchups, lots of high fructose corn syrup, things like that. So you kind of be careful. So what we're going to do is we're going to use firm tofu. That's been drained and then diced. Garlic powder, onion powder, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit of cayenne as well. A little bit of honey, so we're gonna add a little bit of olive oil. I added some lemon, and then at this point, I'm gonna have you just kind of puree that nice and smooth. Okay.
All right, how'd I do?
You're good, great. So we don't make a mess, we have a nice, see, it doesn't look exactly like ketchup in regards to the color itself, but the texture's there. So we're gonna use this as a dipping sauce for our potatoes. So now our soup has been simmered. What we're going to do at this point is we would strain it out, puree the solids, but we're going to reserve some of those cooked potatoes. Okay, and what you get is this really nice kind of chunky, almost like a chowder.
Like a chowder.
Exactly. So at this point, we're going to come over here.
And potatoes are high in potassium as well.
They are, and then so many kids, parents tell me they won't eat this, they won't eat that. They're so picky about things. So just coming up with a new way to serve it so that you know that they're eating something healthy.
Right.
I have some just toasted and chopped hazelnuts. So this is just some roasted hazelnut oil.
Let's see how we did.
Okay, so they're nice and golden brown. So you want to just kind of add it right before you're about to eat it.
Oh, I can't wait to taste this.
Me too.
I know, I'm going to get a little bit of everything. Oh my gosh, that might be the best potato soup I've ever had.
That's excellent. Okay, let's try these fries.
All right.
It's almost like an aioli. It's great. Very flavorful.
And the potato fingers are so crisp on the outside and so nice and mushy on the inside. It's really good.
Delicious.